All right, today we're going to learn about algebra equations, which sounds scary and fancy, but we're going to break it down. This is a basic algebra equation. We have the first number is going to represent number of items. The second number is going to represent number of groups. This sign in the middle, which is also found over here, this sign, is times or multiplies. And you know what an equal equation is because we've gone over that, the equal symbol. And the number that we're finding this time isn't going to be a sum or a difference. It's going to be a product. All right. For example, we're going to start it nice and easy. If we said 1 times 1, we will see that this means what?
The number of groups.
Number of groups, right. So then we would draw one group. And how many items are we putting in the group?
One.
One item per group. Good job. All right, so 1 times 1 equals 1. See, this diagram really helps us learn algebra. Okay. Our next problem, we're going to try to do 2 times 1 and see what we get. Okay, we still have one group, right?
Yes.
Right, we still have one group. So we're going to draw that one group and we're going to put 2 items in it this time. Good job. 1, 2. So 2 times 1 equals
2.
2. Good job. All right. What if we try to make it a little bit trickier? What if we have 2 groups this time? Okay? Let's see. 2 times 2. Okay, this shows us that we have the 2 groups this time. So we're going to draw out 2 groups. And we're going to put 2 in each group. 1, 2, and 1, 2. And because we're super smart kids, and we already know how to count by 2s, we're going to just count by 2s. 2, 4. So 2 times 2 equals
4.
4. Good job. Okay. Let's try bigger, scarier numbers and see if we're smart enough to handle it. Ready?
Yes.
3 times 2. Is that bigger and scarier?
Yeah.
Is it? Okay. How many groups do we have this time?
We have 2 groups.
2 groups. So we draw 2 groups. And we put 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 in each group. We could count these out if we really wanted to, but since we're super smart kids, we already know how to count by 3s.
Yes.
So we're going to say 3, 6. 3 times 2 equals
6.
6. Good job. Okay. Well, okay, wait. I'm going to draw that back up because I want to show you something else. So how about we had 3 in there and we had 3 in there, okay? What if we switch these 2 numbers around? Would we get the same answer or a different answer?
I don't know.
Yeah, we don't know, do we? Okay, let's see. Let's put the 2 over here times a 3 right there equals, so this means we have 3 groups this time instead of 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and each group is going to have 2 in it this time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And since we're super smart kids and we know how to count by 2s, we're going to say 2, 4, 6. 6. Whoops. And we had a 6 up there. So you'll see that 3 times 2 equals 6, but also 2 times 3 equals 6. So no matter which way they are, they're going to equal the same amount. Even though this number represents groups and this number represents items, we're still going to get the same answer. Okay. Next up, we're going to try even bigger numbers. Let's see if we do a 3 times 5. How many groups do we have this time?
5 groups.
5 groups. That's a lot of groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And each group is going to have how many in it?
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we count each of these dots?
No.
No. What should we do?
The 3 stars.
We should count by 3s, right? Okay, ready? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3 times 5 equals
15.
15. Good job. That wasn't too scary. That wasn't too scary. What if we do a really big number? A really big number, like 10. 10. Oh no. That's a really big number. Times 5. I wonder what this number is going to end up being. Let's see, we have 5 groups, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, I didn't think this through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I'm going to write a 10, and a 10, and a 10. Because we get the idea, right? Those each have 10 in them.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So are we going to count 10 and then 10 and then 10 and then 10?
No.
No.
That's a lot of dots.
But we don't have 10s up here.
Maybe we can add.
We could add. That is a good idea. So we could add 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we need one more 10 plus 10. We could add all those together, or we could count by 10s. Even though we don't have the chart up here, I know we know how to do it. Right? Okay, ready?
Just count.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50. Oh, we're going to write it right there, but we're also going to write it up here because 10 times 5 equals
50.
50. Good job. All right. Okay. You've done big numbers and you've done small numbers. I'm going to throw in a trick question. Ready?
Yeah.
0 times 2. Okay, how many groups do we have?
2.
2 groups. All right. 1 group, 2 group. Now how many is in each group?
0.
0. I'm not going to put me in that group. I'm not going to put me in that group. So 0 times 2 equals
0.
0. Good job. What if we change it? What if we say 5 groups now? What's the answer going to be? Now we have 5 groups. Well, we don't put me in this one.
Yeah.
And we don't put me in this one. And we don't put me in this one, or this one, or even this one. So our answer is probably
0.
0. 0 times 5 equals 0. 0. Anything that you multiply 0 by is going to be 0 because you don't have any of it.
Even if it's in a group place, because they're gonna have no groups.
Oh, okay, let's try that. Okay, what if we had 2 to put somewhere times 0? Okay, let's put our groups out. Okay, I put 0 groups. Okay, let's put our items into a group. There's no group to put them in. So you're right, 2 times 0 is
0.
0. There's nothing in the group. Okay. All right, do you guys think you're feeling confident enough to try a worksheet?
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you have any questions, what are you gonna do? Raise your hand, ask for help, and I will be happy to come over and help you. Okay? Okay, so go ahead and get into your groups. Go back to your tables, get in your groups, and I'll hand out your worksheets, okay? Okay.